Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemsofknowledge. So in today's video we are going to study about the basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT, or it is also known as Thiole's theorem. Okay, so of the triangle chapter from class 10th. Okay, so before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new video. So you can see the diagram wherein one triangle is given, which is ABC, and one more line that is dividing, DE is dividing this triangle into two parts. Okay, so let us see the theorem statement. If a line is drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle, so this is the line which is drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle. Which is that one side? BC is one side. You know that there are three sides for the triangle, so this BC is one side to which this DE is parallel. Okay, to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. Okay, so this is intersecting at other two sides. This is at the point AB and at the point AC on the line AC. Okay, so this D is intersecting on the line AB and this E is intersecting on the line AC. Okay, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So if this line is intersecting this part and this part in the middle, then these two sides are divided in the same ratio. These two sides are divided into the same ratio. This is what the theorem says. Okay, so here you can see the mathematical form is given, that is AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. So this both the sides must be equal. If AD is divided by DB, it is equal to AE divided by EC. This is your basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now what about the converse of this theorem? So if a line divides two sides of the triangle, so here in this case they have given that if this line is parallel to this line, then it is dividing these two sides into ratios, into same ratios. Okay, here if a line divides two sides, if this is the line which is dividing two sides, okay, in the same ratio, then this line is parallel. Here we need to say that if these two lines are parallel, then this line is dividing these remaining two sides into same ratio. But in the converse part, what we are going to take? We are going to take ratios first. Okay, so if this line is dividing these two sides in the ratios, then these two lines are parallel. Just converse, just the opposite part. This second part we have to keep first and the first part we have to keep at the last. Okay, this is what converse of PPT. Now depending on this theorem, we are having one more exercise, that is exercise 2.2. Okay, so here they have given in the figure 2.17. This is the figure which was present on 2.17. 1 and 2. Okay, this is first one. One more is there, that is second one. Okay, DE is parallel to BC. So this DE is parallel to this BC. Find EC. In the first one we need to find EC, and in the second one we need to find AD. Okay, so EC we need to find. So what we are having according to our BPT, we are having AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Okay, so what is AD? AD is 1.5. It is divided by DB is, you can see DB is 3, which is equals to AE is 1. Again divided by EC is, we don't know what is EC. EC we will keep as it is. Okay, so if we see like this directly, we can do it. This is 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are, we are going to get 3, because if we add 1.5 to 1.5 we are going to get 3. So this is 1, this is 1. What will be our EC? EC will be 2. Okay, so that is the basic method. Okay, just see, let me show you. This is 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are. So this will become 1 by, this is 1, this is 1. What will be EC? EC is equals to 2. Okay, so this is the simple method. Another method let me show you, that is cross multiplication method, which is equals to 1 by EC is given. So let us cross multiply this. After cross multiplication we will get 1.5 into EC, which is equals to 1 into 3. This is cross multiplied, 1 into 3. Now EC is equals to 1 3 is a 3 we are having, divided by 1.5. Okay, so we know that 1.5 ones are, and this is 1.5 twos are. So EC is equals to 2 centimeter. Okay, this EC will be equals to 2 centimeter. So let's move to the second part. So here you can see the figure. We need to find out AD. AE is given as 1 point. AE is given as 1.8, EC is given as 5.4, and DB is given as 7.2. Okay, so what we will do is, everywhere there is point, so we will multiply it by 10. Okay, here also 10, and here also multiply by 10, so that we are getting here as 18, and this will be as 54, and this will be as 72. Okay, so now let us write AD by DB. So we know the formula, that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So AD by DB, AD we don't know what is AD, so we will keep AD as it is. So AD is equals to, we will keep like that only. Let me tell you, AE is 18 we got. Okay, after multiplying here we got 18. Then it is again divided by EC. EC value we are having 54, and this DB, if we bring to this side, it will become into DB, that is DB value is 72. So we are having 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54, and 3 ones are 3. Similarly, 3 twos are 6, 1 is carried, 3 fours are 12. So AD is nothing but equals to 24 centimeter, or you can write 2.4. If we remove the point, if we keep the point here, it will become 2.4 centimeter. Okay. Okay. So the next question, if we go through the second one, E and F are the points on the side PQ. Okay, this is a triangle PQR. So E and F are the points on the side PQ. On the side PQ, the point is E, and on the side PR, the point is F for the triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. We need to find out for the three cases which is given below, either EF is parallel to QR, yes or no. Okay, so let us see the first case, that is, already they have given PE. We know the formula according to basic proportionality theorem. We can write it PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. Okay, so what is our PE? Let us continue here itself. PE is 3.9, and it is divided by EQ. EQ is 3, which is equals to PF is 3.6 divided by 2.4. Okay, so if you multiply this by 10, here also, and here everywhere, so you are going to get 3.9 in the sense 39 by 3 tens are 30, which is equals to 36 by 24. So if you divide this, you are going to get 3 tens are 30, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. This is 10 by 13. And here you are going to get 24 means 3 eights are 24 and 3 twelves are 36. Again, if you divide this, you are going to get 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So you got 3 by 2 as the lowest form here, and here 13 by 10 as the lowest form. So which do not match to each other. So these are not equal. So you can say that EF is not parallel to QR in the first case. Okay, EF is not parallel to the QR in the first case. EF is, let me write, not parallel to QR. Okay, clear? Okay, in the second case also the same thing. PE divided by EQ, which is equals to PF divided by FR. So PE value they have given, that is 4 centimeter. 4 divided by QE or EQ, it is 4.5, which is equals to PF is 8 divided by 9. They have already given. Okay, so here one point is given. So what I will do is, I will just make it multiply by 10. So if this is multiplied by 10, this must also be multiplied by 10. So it will become 40 by 45, which is equals to 8 by 9. So this 8 by 9 is already in its lowest form. So we need to remove this into its lowest form. So 5 8s are 40 we are having, 5 9s are 45. So this is equal 8 by 9, which is equals to 8 by 9. So here we can say EF is parallel to QR. Okay, EF is parallel to QR. So in the third case, they have given us the value for PQ. Okay, they have given us the value for PQ, which is 1.28, and one more value they have given, that is PR, which is equals to 2.56, and then they have given us this value, that is PE, and this is PF they have given. So by this value, okay, they have given us this value and this value. So if we subtract both the values, we are going to get EQ. Okay, let me show you. This PQ means, which is equals to PE plus EQ. Okay, this PQ is given, which is divided into two parts, that is PE and EQ. Okay, so PQ we are having, that is 1.28, which is equals to PE we are having 0.18 plus EQ. So if we need EQ, then we'll keep EQ. If we need EQ, we'll keep EQ as it is, and we will move this to this side. So it will become 1.28 minus 0.18. So we are left with 1.1 centimeter. Okay, so EQ we got as 1.1 centimeter. Okay, then next they have given us PR. Okay, so PR value they have given us, which is equals to 2.56. Okay, again PR is divided into 2, PF plus FR, that is PF plus FR. PF value we are having? No. PF value they have given, FR value we are not having. So PR is equals to 2.56. Already they have given 2.56. PF is nothing but 0.36 plus FR. So if we need FR, we will keep this as it is. We'll move this to this side. It will become 2.56 minus 0.36. That is, FR will be equal to, if you subtract 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 minus 0 is 2 itself. So 2.20 centimeter you are getting. So now you got the values for EQ, that is EQ is equals to 1.1 centimeter, FR is equals to 2.2 centimeter. Okay, and then they have given us PE value, that is PE is equals to 0.18 centimeter, and PF value they have also given, that is PF is equals to 0.36 centimeter. Okay, now let us divide it. That is, we are having the formula, that is PE divided by EQ is equals to PF divided by FR. So which gives us PE value is 0.18 divided by EQ is nothing but 1.1, which is equals to PF value is 0.36, again that is divided by 2.2. Okay, so here let us try one more method here. Instead of multiplying with 10 or 100, what we will do is we'll simply cross multiply this. So what we are going to get, 0.18 into 2.2, that must be equal to 0.36 into 1.1. Whatever answers we are getting, both the side, it must be equal. Okay, so let us solve by the side. 0.18 into 2.2. Okay, so that is 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3, and 0 will be as it is. Again 2 8s are 16, 1 will be carried, 2 3s are 6, 6, 3 and 0. Okay, 6, 9, 3 and 0. The point will be after 3 numbers, because after a point here there are 2 numbers and here 1 number, so totally after 3 number. So that is, here we are going to get 0.396. so it must be equal to the same. Let me see. Okay, so again 1 6 are 6, 1 3 are 3, 1 0 is 0. Again 1 6 are 6, 1 3 are 3, 1 0 is 0. So here 6, 9, 3, 0. Again the points will be here. So both are equal. As you can see, both are equal. So we can say that here also EF is parallel to QR. So I hope both the sums are clear to you. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below. So I'll be back soon with the next part of this video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.